Unexpected lines. The Bharatiya Janata Party is questioning the Punjab Chief Minister. They're going on to say, you want to go to Paris, you want to encourage our players, but why don't you take care of those players who are bringing laurels to the country and who belong to the state of Punjab? Let's listen into that reaction coming in from the BJP.
Bhagwant Mann, Chief Minister of Punjab, he wanted to watch one of the matches in France, but he was not given permission. That's what he is saying by the ministry.
It's very curious that you raise this question, because today's newspaper also has a very serious allegation against the Aam Aadmi Party government in Punjab, where a sportsperson is saying, I didn't get any help. So the question to be asked is, if a sportsperson, Olympian, is saying, I got no help from the Punjab government, then the Chief Minister first has to answer, what are they doing for the sportsperson, or are they only looking to go for abroad and enjoy a trip?
She's joining us as the war of words over Olympians, over a visit to France has now escalated. Tejshri, the BJP is questioning the Aam Aadmi Party. All right, we'll go back to Tejshri in a short while from now, but let's once again tell our viewers about the controversy that is brewing. First, there is an Olympian who's come back heartbroken. The Olympian, after coming back to India, goes on to make a comment that he hasn't gotten enough help from the Punjab government. We are talking about Arjun Babuta. He's Indian shooter. He revealed that he didn't receive any benefit from the Punjab government despite all the success he has achieved in his career. He finished 4th in the men's 10-meter air rifle event, and right now these allegations have come to the fore by an Olympian. This comes after which the Chief Minister of Punjab goes on to say that he wanted to visit France to cheer the hockey team, but wasn't given permission to do so. Tejshri is joining us live. Tejshri, a huge controversy playing out. The Aam Aadmi Party alluding motive. The government saying that, okay, this is short notice and the Chief Minister of Punjab is a Z plus protectee, and in such a short notice, clearance cannot be given. The Aam Aadmi Party says this is all because of politics. Bhagwant Mann even made that phone call to the team captain and seemed like he was complaining over there. What's the latest when it comes to the Aam Aadmi Party camp?
Yes, well, Bhagwant Mann, the Chief Minister of Punjab, had made a call yesterday to the hockey captain of Indian team, and then in that first call we saw that he congratulated, and then later on he said that he is not able to come because he did not get the political clearance from the central government. Later on, Aam Aadmi Party had also hit out at the BJP, saying that BJP has been doing it intentionally, deliberately, and it is a political conspiracy of the BJP that they do not want the Chief Minister of Punjab of Aam Aadmi Party to reach to Paris Olympics and boost the confidence and the morale of the players and the captain as well. So these all were the allegations that were leveled up by the Aam Aadmi Party against the BJP. But you see, if we talk about rules and laws, then it says that if the Chief Minister wants to travel, then it requires the approval from the MEA. And what our sources also reveal that since he's a Chief Minister, he has Z plus security, and on such a short notice it was not possible to provide him Z plus security for the foreign travel, and perhaps that is why he was denied permission to go to Paris for the Olympics. But as of now, you see, Aam Aadmi Party has been playing politics over it. They recorded the video of Bhagwant Mann and then had put out on social media, where Bhagwant Mann from his own social media handle had said that the political clearance has not been given, and he has completely hit out at the BJP. Now also remember that this is not for the first time when Aam Aadmi Party has been alleging BJP or is hitting out at BJP for not giving clearance to attend some kind of event in a foreign country. Earlier also permission for some of the events were denied to Arvind Kejriwal, citing some significant reasons on which politics was being played.
All
Back
right.
to you.